Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to remove the duplicate characters from a string in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Application, the command is py remove duplicate character.py. My file name.py, click enter. Notice here I got the prompt here, enter the string. Here I am adding my name is Charan. When I click enter, notice the original string is which I have entered in the input method, and below after removing the duplicate characters, this is the output. Notice all the duplicate characters is removed from this string, even the spaces also.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here our folder Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I will create one new Python file called remove duplicate characters from .py, and here we got the newly Python file is created, is open. Now my aim is remove the duplicate characters from a string in Python. So first I am declaring one string variable, string1 is equals to, I am adding input, enter the string, comma, enter the string. After that, let's print the original string here. The original string is str1. After that, I am declaring one variable for count duplicate characters is equals to, it is a string. I am defining an empty string with a variable called count duplicate. Now for char I am declaring one variable in string1. Then in for loop I am adding if loop, if condition, if count duplicate is not in if char not in count duplicate, then the next step is let's count duplicate is equals to count duplicate plus char. This char I am counting with char, plus char, it's not underscore, it's plus char. That's it. Print after removing the duplicate characters, just add the count duplicate variable, this variable add here. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal. Here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. The command is py remove duplicate character.py. My file name.py, click enter. Notice here I got the prompt here, enter the string. Here I am adding my name is Charan. When I click enter, notice the original string is which I have entered in the input method, and below after removing the duplicate characters, this is the output. Notice all the duplicate characters is removed from this string, even the spaces also. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to remove the duplicate characters from a string in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.